Welcome everyone to the another session of your determinants. Today we are going to discuss adjoint of a matrix. Now let us understand what exactly the adjoint means and how it is to be worked out. Here we have taken the matrix of 2 by 2. You can see our matrix is a square matrix of 2 by 2. The adjoint of any given matrix is finding its cofactor and taking the transpose of the cofactor. Now just see our matrix A. Your matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us find out the cofactor, that is A11, right? What will be A11? That is 4. Then after A11 you can find out A12. What will be A12? That is -3. Then A21. Your 21 will be -2 and your A22 will be equal to 1. So we have worked out the cofactor. This is A. Now your adjoint A. Your adjoint A. Adjoint of any matrix is denoted by adjoint A. This is equal to, you can see that we are going to take the transpose. Now just see here, when you take the transpose, you get A11, A12, A21 and A22. So this is equal to, your adjoint A is equal to 4, -3, -2 and 1. So this is how you can find out the adjoint of any given matrix. First of all, आप उसका क्या निकालेंगे? Cofactor, and then you will take the transpose of the cofactor and you will get the adjoint of the given matrix. After finding the adjoint, we will verify this relation also, that is A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I. A into adjoint A. Okay. Now here A, adjoint A, adjoint A. Okay. Now just see. This is, where is A? Here it is. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And your adjoint is 4, -2, -3, 1. Right? When you multiply, what you get? 1 into 4, 2 into -3, -6, -2, +2. Then 3 into 4, 12, -12. 3 -6. So 3 into 2, that is -6 plus 4. So we are getting here -2, okay, 0, again 0 and here -2. Now let us see adjoint A. Adjoint A into A. Okay, so this will be same thing because the matrix are of the same order. -3, here it will be commutative also. So directly we can write here 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will get the same thing. Okay, that is -2, 0, 0, -2. Because we know that AB and BA are defined only when A and B are the matrix of the same order. Okay. Now let us see determinant A. Find out the determinant A. What is determinant A? That is 1 into 4, 4 -6, that is -2. When we multiply this determinant A by this I, we know here I, we will be taking the matrix of order 2 into 2, 1, 0, 0, 1 and this will give you -2, 0, 0, -2. So you have seen that we have verified A, adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A, adjoint A into A is equal to determinant A into I. So this we were asked to verify. This is a result of the adjoint matrix. Moreover, we should also remember, if determinant value of any given matrix is 0, then it is your singular matrix, and if it is not equal to 0, then it is your non-singular matrix. There is one more alternative way of finding the adjoint in which we can avoid all these things, but that is applicable only for 2 by 2 matrix. आप देखिए ये 2 by 2 matrix है. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि इसका एक alternative way से आप इसका adjoint निकाल लें, तो in that case what you have to do is you have to interchange this one. आपको इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Interchange करना पड़ेगा. इसको interchange करिए और इस particular की आप sign change करिए. Change. This is change sign. Okay. Now just see your adjoint A will be equal to, ध्यान दीजिएगा, आपको 1 और 4 को इंटरचेंज करना था. यहाँ 4 आ गया, यहाँ 1, इसकी साइन चेंज करना, -2 और ये आपका -3. यू कैन सी हियर 4 -2 -3 1. बट वंस अगेन आई टेल यू, दिस इज योर ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड. ये आपका ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड है और ये सिर्फ एप्लीकेबल होगा 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स में. सो this is all how you can find out the adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix. You have got an alternative also, and in the same way you can work out for the 3 by 3 matrix also. Thank you.